Hello, whoever the heck is watching this. Well, I'll be unboxing this Henry. And, by the way, whatever's on this box is not the Henry that's inside it. It's not a brand new Henry. Just telling you that. So here's the box itself. And I've got to keep this one, because this video a bit quick. Yeah, and there's nothing on the bottom. It's just the same things all over again. So let's get into it. Well, this one was really, my sister's neighbour was about to chuck out because it was faulty, and apparently the fault was it needs a new power cable, which I replaced. And there's no tools for it. There's little small tools, and obviously there won't be a bag. And the floor head's not bloody the original, because I had to put that head in myself. It's not an original head that came with it. Didn't even come with the bloody head, she chucked it out. Yeah, here's the hose. If you're wondering why is there tape on it, when she was putting it in front of the door, she must have chopped up the hose so no one can repair it, but I just glued it and put tape on it. Here's one of the ones. There's the other one, and I don't know how on earth she managed to get that bloody angle on it. And there's the whatever you call this one, with the suction release valve. And the cardboard. Then there's the Henry. Yeah. It's the model with the clip-on face on it. Well, I need to clean it up obviously. It's got a clip-on face and it's got the parking slot, and as you see, different plug. And no, there's nothing in the box, no tools, no spare bags, can even come with the floor head as I said. I think I'll be putting another Henry in there. So yeah. So it's not the new style Henrys, this is just have a look at this. Here's the problem, it's not focusing. It's a HVR 208, it's 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and it's 1200 watts. Yeah, that's really it. It's got double insulated, don't chuck in the bin, the CE mark. It's got the filter and the bombs like that. It doesn't believe in having an original bag in it though. She must have put the bag in, but not actually putting it on the actual support tube. So the only thing that happened is the dust went in onto the